Alright, so this is take two because of the fact that I just realized that I had my radio on when I was trying to record this the first time. But, this is Chuck here from, well, it's not really Three Guys with Glasses anymore, even though I still do talk to the other guys. I still talk to Steven and Joe, and we still hang quite frequently, but it's, according to my YouTube stuff, last time I posted was 3 years ago. So, just wanted to jump on here and say that I am still around. I'm doing okay. Maybe we'll try to start vlogging again. Might not be Three Guys. It might just be me. So yes, I have changed the name of the channel just to my name, my regular name. So, which is fine. Still got the Three Guys with Glasses handle though, at Three Guys with Glasses, but just I changed the channel name back to my name. But yeah. Just want to swing by, say hi, miss y'all. I know it's been 3 years, but hey. Met a YouTuber who's actually lives here in the local area, and she door dashes. I got a friend that door dashes, and I do go with him a lot. And sometimes we do have a third person with us, and I do comment on the YouTuber's comments. And when I comment, it does come up Three Guys. And like I said, whenever I dash with my friend, it's technically three of us. So there's still Three Guys, but they don't got glasses. So, but she's kind of making the channel famous. I shouldn't say us, but, well, us meaning me and the two other guys, making us three famous a little bit on her channel. But, so, yeah, there's that. But, and the lights went out. No, but anyway, so yeah, it's just, lights on. But yeah, so just want to jump on here, say hey. Yeah, might have forgotten about you for 3 years, but my bad. And back to dark. Now, like I said, maybe I'll try to do a little bit of vlogging. Like I said, it might just be me. Maybe get the other two guys back, Joe and Steven. Maybe get them back in. Just one of them. I don't know. Maybe at least get my dasher friend. My friend who I actually dash with. I shouldn't say the one that I watch on YouTube, but the one I actually dash with, my friend. Maybe see if he wants to get on camera, or at least his voice. I don't know. We'll see. But, yep. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later at some point. Hopefully not 3 years from now, but catch y'all later.